Are we just drifting through a blind, accidental universe, or is human history being guided by a higher power? To find a rational answer, we don't need blind faith. We just need 3 logical steps. First, the limits of nature. Fire burns and water flows by perfect laws, but without any awareness. Humans can observe and master these blind forces to engineer the world. Because we have consciousness, our source must too, pointing to a deliberate creator. Second, the need for guidance. An untended farm naturally devolves into weeds. Humanity is the same. To build civilization, we need a universal educator, someone capable of cultivating our material, social, and spiritual growth simultaneously. Third, the historical proof. Where are these ultimate educators? Look at history's anomalies. Figures like Abraham, a lonely exile, or Moses, a fugitive shepherd. Outwardly powerless, they single-handedly overthrew empires and united hostile nations, birthing entirely new civilizations that reshaped the globe. They wielded a power beyond human capacity, meaning history isn't a random series of accidents. It's a guided classroom, continuously advanced by these singular, divine teachers.
How did a handful of historically powerless prisoners and exiles manage to repeatedly rewrite the moral foundations of the entire world? The Baha'i teachings explain this through a framework of continuous human evolution. It starts with our limits. Left alone, human beings are bound by animal instincts. To build true civilization, we require a unique catalyst, a universal educator. Their proof isn't magic, but undeniable historical transformation. Figures like Moses and Christ emerged from extreme poverty or prison to single-handedly unite hostile nations and outlast massive empires. But this process operates exactly like the Earth's seasons. An educator brings a vibrant spiritual springtime of new life. But over centuries, that original truth decays into a winter of empty rituals, which requires a new educator to restart the cycle. This seasonal cycle unlocks those terrifying biblical prophecies. Visions of a beast ruling for 1,260 days aren't literal end-of-the-world events. They are symbolic roadmaps tracking these religious seasons, which resolves our opening paradox. Those powerless figures were never competing anomalies. They are consecutive suns, dawning one after another, driving a single cycle to advance human civilization.